In this question it says limit as t approaches 0 and you have 1 divided by t, and we have also multiplied by the root of the t, and what we also have is minus 1 and the denominator is t. So as you guys see over here, if we substitute the value immediately, we're gonna get 1 to 0 minus 1 to 0, so which is undefined, and we are not looking for that. So let's go for the solution, and we're gonna say if you look over here, we could get least common denominator, and so we will end up with only one denominator. So the least common denominator over here, if you guys see, it's t, 1 plus t. And so if we over here we're gonna just left with 1, so 1 multiplied by 1 is gonna give us 1, and over here we're gonna left with 1 plus t, and if we multiply it by 1 it's gonna give us minus 1 plus t. So over here I could get rid of this root and simplify solution by multiplying by the numerator, but with the opposite sign. So we have, instead of the minus, we're gonna have plus and 1 plus t. So basically what I did, I put this over here and over here, but with different symbols. And after that, we're gonna say the denominator is the same, or sorry, 1 plus, and this is 1, yeah. And what's gonna happen over here, if I multiply the numerators, I'm gonna get this value, 1 plus, or 1 minus 1 plus t. And in the denominator, I'm gonna get this value, t, or 1 plus t, multiplied by the 1 plus square root of 1 plus t. And if now if distribute this minus signal sign, we're gonna get 1 plus 1 minus t. And let's try the denominator one more time. Not changing the denominator, I'm just gonna write it this way. So what's gonna happen over here, this one will go with this one, and this minus t will go with the t, so we only left with minus 1. So what's gonna happen in the end, we're gonna left with this value, 1 plus t divided by 1 plus t. This gonna give us now let's substitute the t, limit as t approaches 0, as we said. So we're gonna end 1, so 0 plus 1 plus 0 is gonna give us 1 multiplied by 1, so 1. So this is gonna give us 1 multiplied by negative 1 divided by the 2.